Hi friends, we meet again, this time with another grammar topic. It's a continuation of transformation of sentences. Now here today I'll concentrate on affirmative to negative or vice versa, question tag and simple questions with answers in affirmative or negative, and also the use of to and so that. Everywhere we are transforming affirmative to negative or negative to affirmative. Now, what do you mean by affirmative and negative? Negative sentences are those sentences where we use not, never or no. Whereas in the affirmative sentences, we do not use the negative words of no, not, never. Yet, we are not changing the meaning of the sentence. We generally use the opposite of the words, one or two words. Now, both are included in assertive or declarative sentences. Now, let's see this with a few examples. The first one. He is honest, and this is the affirmative sentence, and the negative of it, without changing the meaning, he is not dishonest. So notice, we have not changed the meaning, but we have only made the opposites of the words, honest into dishonest with not. Sometimes we change two words also. And it is not always adjectives that we are changing. Even if there is change in adjective, there are other words also which we can change. Because we have to concentrate on not to change the meaning of the sentence. Now let's see another example. She is never late. Now this can be changed into she is always early. So late, early we are changing, and never and always. Now sometimes when you cannot find a proper affirmative word while changing from negative to affirmative, we can use the words like hardly, barely, rarely. For example, she is not present sometimes. Now this sentence can be changed into she is hardly absent. So see, these are the ways where we can change affirmative or negative and vice versa, negative into affirmative. Now the next are in the question form. Question is changing into answer, where the answers can be negative or affirmative. Affirmative, you can also say positive sentences. Now, for example, is this yours? Now see, the sentence question is in is, means present tense. So answer should be in the present tense. Is this yours? Question mark. No, this is not mine. Negative answer. And affirmative, yes, this is mine. Again see another sentence. Did he go to school today? Now the verb is did, past tense. So answer will be also in past tense. Yes, he went to school, or yes, he did go to school. And this is affirmative and negative. No, he didn't go to school. Now another way, another new method, another transformation. This is using question tag. Now what is question tag? Question tag is adding two extra words and putting a question mark to the sentence which has been given. For example, again here you have to concentrate on the tense, whether it's present tense or past tense. Now let's take this sentence. He doesn't like coffee. Now, he doesn't like coffee. See the verb doesn't. Now doesn't is present tense and also negative word. Now when we add question tag to the same sentence, we will say he doesn't like coffee, put a comma, and then the affirmative of doesn't. So, does he? Only two words which are added to the main sentence. Let's take another example. He didn't go to school today. Now see, the verb is didn't, past tense. So the answer will be, when we are adding question tag, he didn't go to school, comma, did he? And put a question mark. Now the fourth method, where we are using to, and so that. Now when we are transforming to means two and two, T-O-O-2, and along with it we are using to, which we are changing using the words so that. Now let's understand this with examples. She is too tired to walk. Now we are changing the same sentence and using the word so that. She is so tired that she cannot walk. Now see here, she is too tired to walk. So is the verb, present tense. So we are using cannot when we are using that. She is so tired that she cannot walk. Now let's take with past tense, or change so that into to. Same sentence we can take, or another sentence. She was so sleepy that she couldn't complete her homework. She was so sleepy that she couldn't complete her homework. So here you see was and couldn't, past tense. Now the same thing we are changing it using to, where we are using was. She was too sleepy to complete her homework. So you see, my friends, these are some of the types of sentences which we can change from affirmative to negative and negative to affirmative. The sentences are affirmative, negative, then the same thing in question form, then the same type in the question tag form. Another way is by using to or so that. Besides this, we have also done transformation in simple complex compound sentences and also in direct and indirect speech. So please practice all this. We'll be meeting soon, and see this when we are reading or writing your essays, composition, or any other writing skills. At that time you can notice all this, or when we are reading all these types of sentences. Thank you.